Today we are reviewing Bela Travel Kit, the stainless steel straight razor with collapsible brush. Here we have a leather carrying case, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. And here we have the Bela straight razor. It's apparently about 6 inches. This is what it looks like. As you see, there is a certain concavity here, but it's between full and half hollow. And here we have the edge, which is it's like a laser cut. It's pretty cool, and it's a lot more lightweight, and the balance is really nice. The brush is pretty interesting here. Look, this is your brush. You need to open this part first, and you see, for drainage they actually made some holes here. The brush head comes out easily. You just put it in place like this. It screws in, and then for you to have a place to actually store, we have the leather case. Leather case is pretty cool. Again, you can lock it like this, and the items slide in, and it's a pretty snug fit. You have the flaps on both sides to keep it in place, and this is actually how you unfold the brush so that it gets easier to store it. Look, I mean, it's a pretty cool design, because if you would try to put it in like this, it would be a trouble, but the design has actually a patent pending, and it goes in super fast. You put the lid back on, and Naked Armor's foldable brush works like that.